Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add fonts in Penpot. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Penpot dashboard. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel, click on fonts. Okay. We have here sources. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on add custom font. Okay. Here are the following formats: TTF, ODF, and WOFF. Okay. So just click on add custom font. Now go ahead and find the specific font. Okay. If it's on a zip file, just make sure to extract it first. Okay, and it will be available right here. So just click on it, open it up, and just click on upload. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will appear right here at the very bottom. That is it. That's how easy it is to add fonts here in Penpot. If you want to add in some more, just go ahead and do so. Just click on again the blue button. Do the same thing, hit on open, and continue with the work. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you at the next one.